If you're seeing this, you're probably one of my valued customers that already uses Brazilian Blowout. And one thing I want you to make sure you do, please watch this video all the way through. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible. And if this is not the right time, if you don't have time to watch it all the way through, stop this video and then come back to it. But this is important, very important thing that you need to understand what's going on. So to make a long story short, I am basically, even though I've been selling Brazilian Blowout for over 15 years, things are not what they used to be. And I will tell you that, we've sold it with all good faith in the fact that, it was a fairly safe treatment to be performed as long as you take all the necessary safety precautions. But in the last couple years, things have gotten really different. Let's just say, if you want to have a full conversation about this, please call me and talk to me. But what I want to tell you is, we started carrying therapy in the last few years. We have a territory in the Carolinas that at that time we could not sell Brazilian Blowout there because another distributor was carrying it. So we had to have something for them. And so we were introduced to therapy, and only those reps there were actually selling it. And over that time, they got some really good feedback from people. And actually, one of our company owners, in order to get his feet wet in the field and see what it's really like to do sales, he actually worked that area, and he got real good experience with therapy. To fast forward to the present, since Brazilian Blowout started getting a little bit, I don't know whether you call it desperate or the fact that sales were declining, and over the years, we never had this situation. It was always, sales were great for, nearly 15 years or longer. And so this is like the first time that, we weren't the golden child anymore. And they were always constantly pressuring us to increase sales, to do this and do that. And they were coming out with new products with leaf and flower, Brazilian Blowout. Because of the lack of sales of Brazilian Blowout, they thought it would be prudent to also distribute Brazilian Blowout with Paramount. And so this was the first time that we ever had to deal with another distributor selling Brazilian Blowout. And so at that point, we decided, hey, the gloves are off. We're going to sell Brazilian Blowout everywhere. And we're also going to, we were given the green light to go ahead and sell therapy. Well, we didn't really know a lot about therapy, and I was just taking it very, very slow because I didn't know if it was going to be as good of a product or if we're just selling substandard alternative to Brazilian Blowout. Well, over time, in the last year or so, I started selling it to some of my customers that maybe they were bothered with Brazilian Blowout and they just wanted to try an alternative. And since then, I've had customers that swear by this product. And what I'm actually focused on is the Brazilian Renewal. Although they have several other smoothing treatments, some that are stronger or some that are done differently, and then they also have their own version of a completely formaldehyde-free treatment. Now theirs does have formaldehyde written on the bottle, which basically is the same thing as Brazilian Blowout, but they just call it methylene glycol. And some of the research that I've done, Brazilian Blowout is known to have higher levels of the formaldehyde gas present when you're actually doing these. And this is the real research that I did. And I use like AI technology to do this research for me. And it basically scours the web for this information. So it says formaldehyde in hair treatments, including Brazilian Blowout, has been banned or restricted in several countries due to its health risks. These include the European Union, and I'm just going to list, but I want you to read further down below. You can read all of this. Canada, Australia, Brazil, Norway, Iceland, Liechtenstein, California. California, it's banned. I heard it was also banned in Washington State, in Maryland, but for some reason it didn't come back as complete with that. And it says, these bans reflect growing awareness of the dangers of formaldehyde, which include cancer, risks, respiratory issues, and skin irritation. And then It goes on to say, well, the U.S. FDA has yet to enforce a nationwide ban. Other countries have taken stronger regulatory actions to protect consumers and salon workers from exposure to this toxic chemical. And so I asked, because, if I'm going to represent another brand, I don't want to still have to go through these same problems. So I put, is Kerotherapy smoothing treatments banned anywhere in the U.S.? And so it went on to say, Kerotherapy smoothing treatments, including Brazilian Renewal. And the Brazilian Renewal is the one that I'm focusing on. The reason why is because it is very similar to the Brazilian Blowout treatment. It's got the same benefits as far as, no downtime. It should be performed in about an hour and a half. It has a pre-shampoo, the solution, and the mask, which it was pretty much like the original Brazilian when it first came out. So that, I just want to make that clear. This is what I'm comparing apples to apples. Okay, so I'm not comparing it to any of their other treatments. And this is the reason why, is because this is the most popular one. So it said, including Brazilian Renewal, are not banned anywhere in the United States. Unlike some hair straightening products, such as Brazilian Blowout, Kerotherapy formulations are designed to emit fewer fumes and prioritize safety. Brazilian Blowout and other formaldehyde-containing products have faced scrutiny and bans in some states due to health risks associated with formaldehyde exposure. And in my 1 hour discussion with Kerotherapy's owner, he pretty much basically said everything that I just said, but in more detail. So, you never know what they're going to say is really true, but, this research actually points it out. And the key points on bans related to formaldehyde, this one says California and Maryland. These states have passed legislation banning formaldehyde in hair straightening products, including Brazilian Blowout, effective January 1st, 2025. Other countries, formaldehyde has been banned or restricted in hair treatments in the European Union, Canada, Australia, and Brazil due to its classification as a carcinogen. Bottom line, Kerotherapy Brazilian Renewal does not face these restrictions because it is formulated to be safer and emits fewer fumes compared to competitors like Brazilian Blowout. This makes it a viable alternative for stylists looking for effective smoothing treatments without the regulatory and health concerns tied to formaldehyde-based products. I'm going back to the top of the page, and I'm going to tell you the main features and benefits. And I'm telling you this based on real customer feedback from my own customers. Okay? Maximum curl reduction. Achieve the straightest possible look with technology designed to tame even the most resistant hair types. Exceptional shine and frizz control. The fusion of keratin and natural oils guarantees a glossy finish and lasting smoothness. Gives you immediate results with no downtime. So just like the Brazilian Blowout, clients can shampoo their hair the same day after the treatment, eliminating the need for a waiting period. It also has lower fumes, compared to Brazilian Blowout and many other ones. And it just is better for a healthier salon environment. It emits fewer fumes than its competitors, reducing the risk of respiratory issues for both stylists and clients. It's also cost effective. When you see the deal down below, you'll see, compared to the deal with Brazilian, these come in liters. And you can also get it in smaller, but this is an incredible deal that I'm going to offer you down below. With a lower investment and cost per application than all major competitors, Brazilian Renewal offers a competitive edge for salons looking to provide high-quality services at an affordable price. It's also versatile and customizable. The treatment can be tailored to the texture of the hair, ensuring optimal results for each client. Gives you long-lasting results. Many people claim that it lasts even longer than the 12 weeks that Brazilian claims. Basically, is because of the fusion of the keratin and natural oils guarantees a glossy finish and lasting smoothness. And it's also gentle on the hair. Brazilian Renewal is designed to be gentle on the hair, reducing the risk of breakage, dryness, and other long-term damage associated with frequent use of heat and chemicals. And, client satisfaction has been really the key reason why people are preferring this. It says, stylists report high levels of client satisfaction with Brazilian Renewal, with clients loving the ease of styling, the smoothness, and the shine their hair achieves. And most recently, when basically we are now the exclusive distributor of Kerotherapy, and one of the people that actually was one of my, one of their customers, and when I contacted her via text or email, She said, "Oh, great! Glad to hear that. I love cryotherapy." And so when she said that, I responded back because I wanted to know, what do you love about cryotherapy? And so this is exactly her text that she sent back to me. "I think Brazilian blowout kind of sits on top of the hair and puts off a lot of haze and fumes. Cryotherapy seems like it penetrates deeper in the hair shaft. I love cryotherapy. I feel like KT penetrates the hair better. It's stronger. They have more flexible options for strength, and overall, it just works so much better. It lasts longer, and the finish is super smooth. It actually changes the texture of the hair and makes it ultra shiny and more manageable. I've used Brazilian blowout before and it works all right. It just doesn't have the same effect as KT. The finish isn't as shiny or glossy. I think Brazilian blowout kind of sits on top of the hair and puts off a lot of haze and fumes. Cryotherapy Brazilian Renewal seems like it penetrates deeper in the hair shaft." And this is by Caitlin Brown. And then the most recent thing that's happened is they came out with this new Brazilian free formula. And it sounded great. The hype was insane. It was all over the web, all over social media. And I was excited at first, but then I started hearing feedback from, we actually did all these events throughout Florida, and Jacksonville was the last one in Florida to have their event. But I heard feedback from the other 2 reps from the previous events. Actually, we had three others. But I heard from the people from Orlando, and then the one from the Orlando area, Miami area, Boca. And they were having some issues. And so, they claimed that it was performed and tested on over 1,500 people, but obviously their initial instructions were not really either clear enough, or maybe they had the instructions wrong. I don't know. There's people out there that claim they get great results, and I do have one client that loves it, but she really didn't do a lot of Brazilian blowouts original because she couldn't stand the fumes. This one she loves because it doesn't affect her whatsoever. So that's the reason why she loves it, and she really, is doing it on people that probably didn't get a Brazilian blowout because she wasn't doing them. So for those people that will perform them exactly. And you got to know this. They're not done anywhere near like the original. So in my mind, if you're a Brazilian original customer and you're used to doing a Brazilian blowout and you want to do these new treatments, it's a whole different process, and you got to make sure you get clear on how to do that. And where I think people are going to go wrong is they're going to confuse the 2 systems. And then we have people that have bought the new free system and never even used it. You know why? Because they already know the original Brazilian blowout. They know how simple and easy it is. And when they got to do a free version, then now they got to think about everything. They got to think about the details, and they're reading the instructions, and it can be overwhelming. Even though when you break it down, it is kind of simple in some aspects, but it's not. When you're not used to doing them. I think once you get them under your belt and you do them a lot, then yes, it's great. But I will tell you, to compound the problem of not only Paramount selling it, but now they put knowing that we've spent all the money to do these events, not just in Florida, but Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and Georgia. We had to pay for the hotels for these events, and our company did not. They basically lost money on these events, and all the while they made a deal with Salon Centric to put it in the stores. And the reason why they accepted the free version is because it is supposedly safe in all the countries. So there's no harmful or carcinogen ingredients in this new formula. But some of my clients were calling me in panic saying, "Hey, Rich, we were just told by Salon Centric that the Brazilian free is replacing the original, and the original is being taken off the market. Please tell me that's not true." And I told them the truth. It's not. Now, California and Maryland and I think Washington State, and actually I had somebody confirm from Washington State that they can no longer buy the original solution. So this particular research did not show Washington State, but so I don't know if maybe it's not official. I don't know, but they said that they cannot buy it there. So I know of at least 3 states where you can't do or perform a Brazilian original. So make a long story short, I'm really focused on Therapy now because, for one, I like the owner. They treat us with respect, and I believe they have a quality product. If you're looking for a smoothing treatment that's not going to bother your respiratory system and that's not banned everywhere, that, you know, and let me just tell you this. This is one thing I learned from the owner too. He said, even though they don't have as high levels of formaldehyde as Brazilian Blowout, they have just enough to get the job done, and their other ingredients actually make up for, you know, the lower levels, and still outperform the original Brazilian Blowout. So take it for what it's worth. Like I said, I'm taking a big risk putting this information out to you because I've been doing this for over 30 years. I care about my customers. And whether you decide to stay with Brazilian Blowout, that's your choice. But I'm just telling you, if you trust me, if you've known me for this long, you know I'm not going to give you a line of BS. And so this is where I'm at, and I'm really serious about this. You know, they have other products as well. So, you know, this is just the beginning. You'll start to see more videos about this and other things. But I know this video went on way too long, but I had to get it out there. And thanks for hanging in there if you watched to the end. But take advantage of this deal below. I'm going to just include it in this video because it's important. You get a ton of stuff. You get liters of the solution, liters of the pre-shampoo. You get a 16-ounce mask and the daily smoothing cream. You also get the home care keratin shampoo and conditioner for moisture. You also get 3 different high-quality thermal brushes, a vent brush, carbon tail comb, Y2 comb, mixing bowl applicator brush, 3 pumps, 6 mirror clings. You know, it's an incredible deal. Now that's the normal deal of what you get in this thing, and it's just $25, not even $25 more than what Brazilian is charging for their small bundle. And not only that, the owner did me a favor, and he's actually throwing in their $165 titanium flat iron absolutely free. Now this is for new users only, so I just want people to take advantage of this deal and just know that you're going to love this. So trust me on this one. This is a real winner, and I appreciate you watching. And if you have questions, please give me a call, and I'll tell you more details of what's been going on if you want to know the real truth. All right, take care. Have a great day.